video tour for our 2530 Gramercy Unit 4. So this is the exterior of the building. This is a fourplex. And we're gonna just quickly go down the driveway here for the parking out back. There's a shared parking lot back here. Alright, so this is our shared parking lot. Alright, now we're going to go inside and check out this unit. This is a studio apartment. It is 148 square feet. So we're just going to go in the front door here. This is a common area. This is where all tenants come in for the fourplex. And then we're just going to go up these stairs to the unit. We are unit 4 here. Alright, so we just go in this front door. This is the studio area. So this could be bedroom, family room. We've got a window here. And then this is the kitchen area. It does have a cooktop. Comes with a cooktop, a sink, and a tiny refrigerator. And then just to the right of the door is the closet area. It's a pretty good sized closet for a studio. And then just some more storage, a little window here. And then the bathroom is just right here to the left. Got a medicine cabinet here for some storage and a little window. Nice tile surround in the bathtub. This does not have a shower. This is a bathtub only. And then the vanity here. We do have a little storage cabinet here. It could be used as a pantry, small pantry. All right, that's it for this unit, our small little studio apartment. This is 2530 Gramercy Unit 4. To apply for this property, just visit our website at nvpm.com and click on rental search. You can submit an application there.